Hi guys, and welcome back to Cleaning with Tiffany. So in today's video, she is going to show you how she cleans and organizes her bedroom. So for those of you who don't know me, my name is Shawn. I have two channels, and I will get into that later in this video. So first thing Tiffany is going to be doing is she is going to kind of fix the pillowcases on her pillows, and then she is going to take all of the sheets off of the bed, and then she is going to make the bed. So with that blanket that she has right there, she got that at Gabes, I want to say for $25. And it's a queen size. I believe it's micro fleece. It's that really, really soft material. Okay, so next thing she's going to be doing is she is just kind of fluffing the pillows and moving them around, that way they look nice. And actually, when you fluff your pillows, if you have like a flat spot, you kind of move everything around in the pillow, that way it has some bounce again. I do that to my pillows all the time. So for those of you who are wondering, my two channels, my makeup channel is Swenton Hair 0624, and my second channel is Swenton Hair 0624. Alright, so next thing that Tiffany is doing is she is just restocking the puppy pads for her bunny. She also has a video on how she cleans the bunny rabbit's litter box, so go ahead and check that out. And you can get this storage caddy that she has with the 3 drawers at Walmart for about roughly $10 to $15, give or take. Next thing we're going to be doing is just kind of wiping that down, and we're going to clean the area a little bit and put more stuff in the drawers. And if you guys hear anything in the background, I'm sorry. There's a lot going on in my house. So what she just pulled out is some of the bunny's stuff, and the bunny just lays on there, I believe. I know it's for the bunny, but I don't know if it fully lays on it. I don't really know, because I don't live at her house. I'm just the best friend. Alrighty, so what she's cleaning off, there is a little stand over there, and she's just going to wipe that down, and I believe she's also going to be wiping the fan down as well. And we're going to be pulling some stuff out from under the bed. I'm not really sure what she's pulling out, but hey, it's a cleaning bedroom video, so why not? Alrighty, so the cleaner that she is using is the Meyer's all-purpose cleaner from Walmart, and it is $3.88 for a 16 fluid ounce, which quite frankly is not bad. And they make a concentrated version of the solution that you can just fill up that old bottle with, and when anything is concentrated like that, you do have to add water to it. Otherwise, truly, you're just wasting money because you're using way too much than what you think you're supposed to. Alright, so next thing we're going to be doing slowly as she goes through every little section is using that Shark vacuum. Now, that is a corded vacuum, and that retails, I think, for roughly around $200 at Walmart. It's really good for pet hair and such, and it's light. It's not very heavy or anything. So if you don't want like a full-size vacuum and you're maybe doing like apartment-style living or just looking for just like a smaller vacuum in general, I would definitely go with the Shark. I personally have a Shark at my house. I'm actually the reason why she got a Shark because I always talk about it so much, and I swear by them. They are amazing. Alright, so next thing we're going to be cleaning that bench off, or table. It's a table. And then we're going to be vacuuming some more. That's one thing that her vacuum has that mine doesn't, is a light, which is it necessary? No, but it is nice. Alrighty, so next thing that she's going to be doing is clearing off her dresser. It's got a lot of stuff on that dresser, my lord. And that's a lot of stuff. Okay, so we're just going to wait. Okay, so she actually has two dressers. She has that long one and the tall one right over there with the TV on it. I forgot that she had two of them. So I believe the entire time that she's cleaning her room, she's using the Meyer's all-purpose cleaner, which, again, I still haven't used, but I know she uses that in everything. No, this video is not sponsored by anyone, by any means. It's just one of her favorite products. Alright, so now that we finally, oh my, we finally have the dresser cleaned off. Now we are going to... She sprayed the mirror too? Well, she sprayed the dresser, so we're going to do that. Oh, okay, she did get the mirror. That's lovely. Alright, so next thing she's going to be doing is just kind of wiping everything down and putting it back. Hopefully maybe she won't put all that back because there was a lot of stuff on there. Like, oh my. Sister needs to condense. So that painting that she just put up there that looks messy and such, that is actually done by a real penguin that's made by the African penguins done at the Pittsburgh National Aviary. I don't know if they do the penguin paintings anymore. I know I've done them multiple times. But if they still do it, because I don't remember, you should check it out. Every painting is personalized, and you can pick from the whatever paints they have that day. I definitely know that on some of the times that I went, they had a lot of glitter paint. But it was fun. They're always a fun painting because they're never the same. They just get the penguin to walk across all of the canvases of whatever color that is, and they go from there. So I think I have like 7 of them hanging in my TV room. I have no idea. Alrighty, so next thing we're doing is on the other side of the room. And we're still moving things. Taking a sip of water. You guys definitely need to make sure you stay hydrated. That's marvelous. Thank you for showing us such a fabulous example, Tiffany. Which, that reminds me, I probably should drink more water too. Where'd she go? Oh, hey girl, there she is. Alright, so it looks like she's cleaning her window and the windowsill, which I feel a lot of people seem to forget when you're doing like a full clean of the bedroom or even organizing and such. I feel like windows are the most forgotten thing that people clean, so definitely make sure you clean your windows. I know she's a stickler for cleaning her windows. Alrighty, it looks like she put everything back on the windowsill. Took her little stool away. And okay, so now we're using the Shark vacuum again that I had told you guys earlier you could get for about $200 at Walmart. And they have like full-size vacuums too. It's just the little ones are cute and fabulous. So, and they're really, really good for like small areas too. But I know I already said that. I figured I'd let you guys know again because it's my favorite vacuum cleaner. Alright, what are we doing next? Because it looks like we're almost done here, but I don't know. Alrighty, that looks like that's going to be it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on Tiffany's channel, and also don't forget to check out my 2 channels. And also, if you want to know more about how she cleaned the bunny rabbit's litter box, go ahead and check that out. And here is a final overview of the room. All right, we will see you in the next video.